I saw it like this, but you got the engine in, wiring. Hey guys, Chuck, Custom Mopar. Welcome back. Gonna go take a look at Drew's Demon, see where it's at. I actually know where it is. Right, I did. Anyway, yeah, I'll let you guys see what he's got going on. A 71 Dodge Demon that is getting a makeover, to say the least. Yeah. Been running around in Miss Dalma. I got about 800 miles on this old girl now. I don't know how many gallons of gas that is, but that's about 6 quarts of oil. She burns oil. All right, we're gonna leave in a minute and wind up at Drew's shop. Here we go. There's a familiar sight. It's fixed. You remember this from Bowling Green? It was blowing smoke. Well, it was the torque converter weld went bad. Drew's coming out in a minute. There's the Demon. We'll look at that. There's some other cool stuff in here. Look at this. Yeah. Look at that. Got to get finished. Pretty cool. And the Turdoba. You remember the Turdoba? Old Drew and Jeff the Professor swapping some work. So Drew is fixing steel. There were some holes down there. Yeah, there's a hole right there. Anyway, we'll get to the Demon here. I saw it like this, but you got the engine in, wiring. Oh, some of the wiring.
Yeah, I got
just the front lights.
Yeah, they're just in there.
Now that's a 408.
Yep.
Made 525.
Yep. Horsepower 523 torque.
And what rad are you going to use? Radiator?
I don't know yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, ordered trannies in. Had to get longer header bolts. The ones I had were only 3/4 inch, and with these thick flanges,
Oh,
I was only getting about a 1/4 inch into the head. I didn't think that'd be good.
that ain't quite good enough. So you've got Willwood brakes on it, do you? Front discs?
Yeah, Willwood front disc.
And then-
manual disc.
Drum on the back?
Drum on the rear.
Okay. And you got a 4-link you're putting in here, right?
Yeah. It's partially in.
I know you had it all mocked up mostly, and
The
then...
only thing I got left to do is the pan hard one.
Okay. Yep.
I got the whole front. That's where the
all
front
that.
mounts.
Not real bright enough.
One mounts up to the frame. This
That's
is
your pan hard.
Pan hard. And then these two mount to the rear ends. And then you got your shocks, and your rear end mounts here. So you got them going forward. There's a dust shield. I had to, start putting that together. Then I had to get the special bolts for the torque converter, because they're
Bigger.
yeah, they're 7/16 bolts instead of the 3/8 like normal ones. This one's got a 3500 stall. And it's got the deep pan, the aluminum pan with the fins.
Cool. When are you going to be sitting in them? Yeah. That'll be nice. Yeah. It's real nice, isn't it? Yeah. You were gonna do different Demon logos, and you went with that one. That's kind of like the one that was on those cars, right?
I don't know.
Sorta.
Yeah. Well, they usually
Closer, huh?
Usually it's they got the Demon with the orange guy in the middle.
Yeah.
And the
Oh, yeah.
forks. But I didn't want to do that because I've seen them before on somebody had them.
They sure do.
That one was kind of
Pitted.
yeah. This one I might have to put new studs in that one. Got me some more undercoat. Yeah, here I painted my door panels black now.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. And then I painted the bases silver.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna paint this silver. And then Sean's got some carbon fiber decal.
Oh,
So I'm gonna put carbon fiber in there because I got carbon fiber for the dash. So that's what I need to do next. I need to clean all these up. I need to get like a silver pen and paint all that silver back on it.
I fooled with that.
Yeah, see.
Oh yeah. Goes on here, right? Yeah.
There's that one.
Now, where did you get these?
I got, I think I got these through Detroit Muscle.
Really cool.
So yeah, so I'll get rid of all the wood grain.
And that's your
And
dash.
that's my dash. And then I got the new faces that go on there, which I don't know, how do you take them off? Don't look like you do. How do you get that underneath there? On the center. And couldn't find mine. Had to buy that. That cost $20. Then I bought these.
Oh, nice. Them are brand new though, right?
Yeah, aftermarkets. That was $120.
These going under the dash. Nice
Somewhere,
cool.
yeah. I might, yeah. Then I bought these.
I gotta get some more of them things.
These are 194s, ain't they? It's getting dull. I think I bought new. It's dusty. I bought new. Them for it.
Mm-hmm.
I had a new speaker in there, but Katie stole it. It's in his Roadrunner.
Just a lot of little nitnoid stuff. Look at this. Now this is this is not hot rod black you used on here.
Same as with it. It's just flat black.
Flat black.
Yeah.
And then you put something in there for some satin, didn't you?
Nope, that's just
That's
flat.
just
It's
flat
well, it's gloss black with a flattener. In it.
Flattener in it.
Yeah. But inside the doors are
Oh yeah.
the hood and all that. The dash. It's over there.
To check that out. So much
All
work.
rebuilt heater box and all new this shit.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I went to put these in, and the kit that I got for repainting it, which came with all your other guys, didn't come with the
Wipers.
So they just came in today. $10 kit. But it comes with
Yeah, you would think. Oh, you started your headliner. I didn't even notice. What's this? Your pedal?
yeah,
Got a new one of them.
right there.
Oh yeah.
$2.
I did the headliner in a Cuda. It wasn't awful, but
This one's kind of wrinkled.
I put it in the dryer for a while.
Oh, did you?
Mm-hmm. I sure did. And then I laid it out.
That's what.
Laying it out enough wasn't enough in the sun. Okay, yeah, it's a couple days later. How cool is that car? Now, it's update 2. I'm going to put a thing right up here, I think, that you guys can click on to see when we first did a video on that earlier this year. I've always liked Demons. We had a factory race car back home for a while. I used to see run. Check this out. I got this off in a yard, you know, in the early 80s. I painted it with Testor's model paint. Yeah, these projects go slow, especially when you are a mechanic like he is, and brother-in-law's heat doesn't work, sister-in-law's heat doesn't work in their car. Can you fix it? Side jobs, all that. Anyway, yeah, he's got the rear end to put in, that 4-link. Nothing simple on that, that's for sure. It's narrowed. Yeah, he did. He tubbed it. Mini tubs are in it. So I was looking at the video though, and his carbon fiber overlay for his dash appears to have a hole right here. Well, this is a 72 Duster, which is basically what his car is, a 71 Demon. But this is a seatbelt light, which came mandatory in 72. So he may be bummed. I don't know. I sent him a text. Anyway, yep, that's all I got for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you updated. He gets that thing fired probably next time. We'll see it. Anyway, see ya.